Commercial windows are windows that are typically used by commercial buildings or businesses. Each type of commercial building or business requires specific types of windows in order to efficiently operate. There are numerous types of commercial windows that can be installed on a building in order to achieve energy efficiency, advertising space, or for aesthetics. Landmark Construction Crew is a BPI certified commercial windows contractor in Los Angeles that has been installing and replacing commercial windows on buildings for over 10 years. Landmark Construction Crew provides commercial windows installation and replacement services of windows such as storefront windows, apartment complex windows, office windows, school windows, hospital windows, and shopping outlet windows. We offer affordable commercial windows installation and replacement services in Los Angeles, Orange County, and San Fernando Valley. Call for a free on-site consultation and estimate today, or visit us on the web for more information. Landmark Construction Crew, your contractor for life.